Hi there! Today, I'll show you how to use Ylopo's Open House tool for your upcoming events. This tool is designed to streamline your open house registration process and increase engagement with potential buyers. The great thing is, your website already has the open house feature ready to go. Simply navigate to your branded site and add open house to the URL. For example, visit www.islfl.me open house. Next, enter the MLS number of the property where the open house will be held. This connects the registration page to the correct listing. After entering the MLS number, select the agent responsible for the open house from the drop-down menu. This ensures the event is tied to the right person and all leads will be correctly assigned. Once you've entered the MLS number and selected the agent, click Create Open House Link. A new page will be generated, which will serve as the registration page for your open house attendees. With the registration page live, you can share it on your social media, email it to your leads, or even generate a QR code that attendees can scan when they arrive at the open house. Ylopo will capture all the relevant visitor data and help you follow up with attendees after the event. And that's it! With Ylopo's Open House tool, you can easily manage and track your open house events. This tool will also import leads into your follow-up boss profile. It's all about making the process seamless for both you and your clients. If you need more information or would like to see how it works live, visit our site at www.islfl.me open house. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next open house.